Yuri Oganesson? That's the guy who lives in April 14, 1933. Oganesson, originally named Anunnactium, is the 118th and last element, a noble gas with 118 protons and 118 electrons with 176 neutrons. Oganesson was discovered in 2002 by Yuri Oganesson with a density of 4.9 to 5.1 grams per centimeters cubed. Oganesson has a boiling point of 250 degrees Kelvin and atomic weight of 294 atomic mass units, and it was named after the Russian physicist who is the co-discoverer of the heaviest elements in the periodic table, and who discovers Oganesson himself, Yuri Oganesson. The reaction was a fusion of element 20 with element 98, calcium 48 with californium 249. Calcium ions were formed into a beam in a cyclotron and fired at a target layer of californium oxide deposited on titanium foil. Bombardment lasted 2,300 hours, about 95.83333 days, accumulating a total dose of 2.5 times 1019 calcium ions. 2 atoms of oganesson-294, which existed for 2.55 ms and 3.16 ms, were produced in March 2002. Further experiments and analysis later confirmed this result, and the discovery was verified by the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, IPAC, in 2015. The report stated, the claim of the Dubna-Livermore 2006 collaboration for discovery of the element with atomic number Z equals 18 is acknowledged as validated. As a result of its position in the periodic table, Oganesson is expected to be classed as a noble gas. Just like I said, IPAC has accepted the discoveries of the following elements. Element 113, nihonium. Element 114, fluorovium. Element 115, moscovium. Element 116, livermorium. Element 117, tennessine. Element 118, oganesson. Thus completing the 7th row of the periodic table. Oganesson is harmful due to its radioactivity. Oganesson is a synthetic radioactive metal and has only been produced in minute amounts. Oganesson is of research interest only. A few atoms oganesson have been created via nuclear bombardment of 249 Cf with 48 ions in a heavy ion accelerator. Oganesson has one isotope whose half-life is known very approximately, 294 Og, with a half-life of 0.89 milliseconds. Oh, and I forgot the electron configurations.